Truck drivers must abide by a series of highly complicated and little-known rules. Those rules are implemented by traditions within the trucking industry that are known to truckers and trucking companies and little known to outsiders. It's fairly easy to discover the rules. That's just legal research. It's hard work to discover the implementation techniques that make them click or make them fail. Winning or losing a truck accident case almost always turns on those nuances.
Truck accidents, 18-wheeler, big rig accidents are more complicated than your typical car accident or rear end injury or intersection collision because there's federal law that you have to be familiar with in most cases. You have to know what are the standards of care for truck drivers. What about their logbooks? What about how much sleep do they need to be getting? How much time can they be on the road in a given day? And if you don't understand or know where to go to find those answers, you might be missing clues all the way along of different items of negligence, where they went wrong. And you want to look not only at the driver themselves, were they fit to be on the road? Did they have any medical conditions that could have led to the instant where they weren't paying attention or where they were not maintaining appropriate control of their vehicle? You also want to look at the company. What about their hiring standards? Were they negligent? Do they train people for the certain conditions? How often do they train them? There's so many questions, and if you don't know the questions to ask, and if you don't know how to get around the first no or the first obstacle when the insurance companies or the other lawyers don't give you the answers, your client's just not going to have a successful recovery.